Welcome to the CryptoNest. So today I'm continuing the analysis for the coins for the next bull market. So this is CRONOS. So unfortunately CRONOS managed to do a new lower low, so it's not that good, but we shall see what actually it was his first bear market, but they do invest a lot into marketing, and well, they survived the bear market, right? So that's something. And yeah, so I did pull back the fib retracement, as you can see. So we can see that, if we manage to get back to the 0.618, I would say it's already a very good level that we would make back, right? So considering that today it's 10 cents about, this is it's an easy 4x, right? 20, 30, 40, okay, 3x, sorry. And so we do have a little bit of resistance on our way up, and yeah, it's looking good, honestly. So as you can see, as soon as we did this golden cross, price really skyrocket, and now we're making a side consolidation, if you want, and you can see that we are preparing to jump. Now I do have a small level of resistance here, but I would say the biggest one is going to be here at 15-16 cents, and after that we don't have much, because in fact I need to go back here and see a nice resistance. On our way back we momentarily, like, maybe wick once or twice. So I see price, honestly, not struggling too much, and maybe making a small stop here and jumping right there. Maybe after that, maybe we can make a corrective movement and prepare for the next jump. And as you can see, all the little resistance that I put, those are all related to the previous one, which doesn't, well, for sure will have an incidence on the price, but it's not that we're having a big peak on our wave down. So yes, they are kind of important, but not as important as a real previous peak on our wave down. And as you can see, we don't have anything, honestly. When we bust this level here, which was the beginning of the bull market, yeah, so this is like 24-25 cents. You can see that we don't have much. We do have a small wick here, which is actually, it's a really deep wick, right? It's between 32 and 37, but after that, so you can see that yeah, for our price, it's going to go right through this level here, 32, 37, and after that we do have the 0.618 40, and then we jump to about 49.51 cents because of the 0.5 fib retracement, and also here the previous resistance on our way down. And yeah, it's looking very good. After that, yes, we have several other challenge to face, but after that it's amazing. Let me take out this one now, because it's a little bit irrelevant, and I think these one also don't need them, and I'm just focusing on, so once again, if we go into price discovery and we're not making, because we made a new lower low, we cannot do or use the Fibonacci extension. So I'm using the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, and that give me, and I pop up the 1.618 and then 2.618, and you can see that the possible levels for this wave, for the next impulsive movement, for the bigger wave, right? Now we are on the weekly, we're talking about 154 and 247. So these are possibly 15 and 24, 25x. Pretty good. Also, now if I zoom in a little bit, let's go and check what can we see. So I said we just made a golden cross several weeks ago. So this it's already start to go, right? So this is I believe is going to do well into the next bull market. Now CARTESI, you can see that on the weekly, yeah, we did a golden cross here, and after that we jump back into the dead cross, and now we're attempting to do that again. Well, this is another coin that honestly its beginning and it didn't even really went through. The first step would be to break out from this downtrend, and after that you can see that we don't have much resistance, honestly. So if price try to go from here and really manage to break out this downtrend, well, first stop is going to be here at 36. So from the present price we just double just like that, and that's just a wick, right? The real resistance is going to be here. As you can see, I didn't even do the chart, so let's do it together. So I'm going to take this wick here. As you can see, we do have kind of a strong resistance here, so I'm trying to get the wicks and the closed candles, the top of the closed candles. Try to be the more precise you can. So this is the next logical target for CARTESI, and after that, yeah, we have like a messy price action, but I can say that here it's kind of a mini peak, and after that we jump here. So I'm going to make another box here, and also we can see that we do have some wicks here about at the same levels, and once again then we are having here almost at the top of the bull market 112 to 120, and this was well, this is our final challenge, right? We do have some wicks here. Now don't take the longest one because that would be crazy. We're talking about from 113 to 173. So around at that point we'll see. But what I can do though is I can put a horizontal ray here, and this is going to be our final destination before entering price discovery. Well, unlikely CRONOS, at least CARTESI managed to do a higher low, so we can try to do and determine what would be the third wave. So once again, honestly, I really don't like this count. Can you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I'm not going to go into details now, so I'm just going to do the overall analysis. But then after that we can maybe challenge if this was indeed a wave 1 and this was a B and a C. But the important thing is what would be the target possible if the euphoria of the bull market kicks in and drive everybody up. So we're talking about $2.85 and $4.56. Those once again we're approaching the easy 10x, 20, possibly even 25 maybe. All right, so now the other way to see it, no matter how bullish we are, if we just go back, so we take just the fib retracement, but now I'm going to take the setting for the wave 2. So you can see that, am I on the, no, okay. All right, so we can see that here the 0.5 would be the half territory, right, from this bear market, and it's really a decent level. So no matter what happens, if even discount if it's bearish and it's just an A, a B, and a C, and this is just a 1, and this eventually is going to be the 2, and we're going to reach lower prices, which is kind of hard though, because we're 10 cents, so it kind of implies that this coin is going to die. But that's the worst case scenario. We still need to go higher, and minimum we need to go, I would say, it's very logical to go and reach back the 0.5 and 92 cents. So that's another several X from the current price. So this is another coin that I found it's very interesting, and you can have a, you can think to integrate in your portfolio. Now we have DOGE. Let me see, I think maybe here I did the charting. There you go. So once again, if I do the fib retracement and we want to be conservatory, and we say fine, my target is the 0.5 or even these targets here are 0.6, very possible. I believe he's going to do go back to this level very easy, especially if the person behind is making a very nice PR. Now, can Doge coin make a new high? Very possible. Did I do it? Yes, I did. So I did the fib extensions. We're talking about 127 to $2. If everything goes well, but for the moment we need to stick with reality, not for positive thinking. So price, as you can see, break out from the downtrend. We managed to do a golden cross, and now price, yeah, it's still, I would say, is kind of chilling off. If I bring out the indicator, you can see that even on the weekly, the RSIs are still oversold for the stocks and getting out from the, sorry, overbought. So stocks are still overbought, but the normal RSI, it's leaving that levels, chilling off. So what's the next target? Well, once again, we're going to be challenging here at 12 cents, which we previously reached. And after that, once again, we are going to fight for the 15 cents. It does coincide almost with the 16 cents 7.8 for the 0.786 fib retracement. And honestly, past this stage, we don't have much resistance and we fly up to near 30 cents. So that's a very interesting path. So, and after that, we do have a little bit of resistance around 35 and here about 37, 38, which coincide with the 0.5 fib retracement. And after that, we fly up to here, 57 cents. I'm going to draw the box eventually if we get near that level. So that's another coin that very promising for the next bull market. Now we are doing DOT. So DOT, as you can see, lately it exploded. Why is that? Well, beginning of bull market, and you can see that you can really see that there is like a cycle, a mini cycle, or a chronological order where investors scale in and scale out. And I would say the momentary scale out from Solana, they jump into Avalanche, and now some are stepping into DOT as well. So once again, where is it here? Golden cross here. Let me enlarge a little bit. It is a little bit messy. Let me take out some indicators. There you go. All right, so we do have the golden cross exactly here. And once again, I did tell you when the price starts increasing, and then after that we do have the golden cross. So the golden cross, it's a delayed indicators, and as you can see, yeah, when we got it, actually we were taking a rest, right, and we did a pullback, and now we're jumping back. Now it's looking very good, and as you can see, we straight away from this level here, previous resistance, we did our pullback, and after that we skyrocket in 1 week and reach the following target. So what's next? Well, we do have a small resistance here, but I think we're going to pass through like butter. After that, we do have this resistance here, so it's $9 to $9.40. And yeah, it's really amazing. I would say here the yellow line, it really determines, I would say, bear market to bull market. And after that we fly, and honestly it's very exciting because yeah, when we leave these $9.40, we don't have nothing except for this week here, and after that we skyrocket. We do have the 0.786 fib retracement, let's say $12.50ish. and after that we have another week here at $14. And the next real resistance that we have, it's really here around 1830 to 1970, and after that we are talking about $24. And we do have, you know, the fib retracement, sure, but as you can see, resistance are very far. For the moment, if we manage to break out the $9-10, yeah, we're going to fly very, very fast. So this is another coin, very, very interesting to own in your wallet for a long term. Now, so for the record, I do have a little bit of, well, CRONOS, I do have CARTESI, I do have DOGE, I do have DOT, and I do have DYDX, sorry. Okay, so now DYDX, so this is decentralized exchange. So we managed to, as you can see, break out. We went on the side, accumulation. Now we can see this uptrend help us to push the price highs and act as a support. And yeah, so when we start to go up, we created this resistance here. When we fly out, we did reach the 0.886 fib retracement of the bigger bear market pullback. And after that, big rejection, and now this level, this previous resistance acting as a support, we momentarily wick down to this level here, and now we are fighting. Yeah, you were fighting, right? So look, we're doing a descending edge, so that's a, you know, it's a bullish pattern. Now let's zoom out a little bit. You can see that we don't have anything, honestly, before this weeks here, which is about $7. You can notice as well the 0.786, it's $6.78. So I really believe that when DYDX finishes rest, is going to skyrocket, and next target is going to go around $7. After that, we do have a little bit of stuff here, but you know, a little bit of resistance. But the biggest one, I would say, it's about this level here. So we are talking about $9 to $9.50, and after that, look at that, we don't have much. And yeah, we do have a little bit of price action here on the close candle when DYDX went in or went alive on this on Binance. I don't know if it's the longest chart, but I usually use the Binance because there is a lot of trade, so it's more representative of the market. So as you can see from there, we do more likely we're going to have some resistance here, also because it coincides with the what is it here? Yeah, the 0.618 at 11:30, and after that we are going to fly small resistance here, but nothing crazy. And yeah, we're going to fly up to, as you can see here, about $24-25. Now once again, we're going to go in price discovery. So I managed to do the fib retracement from the top to the bottom, pull out the 1.618 and 2.618. We're talking about $45 and $72. All right, so I think I'm going to end this video here with the D's, the C's, and the D's. And hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, you can watch the previous video I did on crypto coins to scale in within few weeks before the start, the moving of the bull market bull markets start. And I will keep trying to continue to do this long-term view on good coins, and yeah, I hope maybe this week I can manage to finish it. Alright, so please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.